What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily transfer from RIA to bank account. So here's how you can easily send money from RIA straight to your bank account. Just open RIA Money Transfer app and make sure that you log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, just sign up. It's quick. Then tap on Send Money and choose the country you're sending to. Then next, just enter the amount you want to send and select Bank Deposit as the delivery method. Now just add the recipient's bank details like their full name, account number, and bank name. Then make sure that you double check everything. Then next is just choose how you want to pay. You can use a debit card, credit card, or sometimes a bank account. The next, just review the details, then tap send. You'll get the confirmation once it's on its way. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can easily transfer money from RIA Money Transfer to your bank account. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!